What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about ticker symbol MULN. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into MULN, and looks like we're getting ready to rock it again, guys. This thing today, yes, we did not get the breakout, but it's up 4% on the day and now up almost 3% after hour. Now, if you look at my screen, yes, we have resistance at 22 cents. But now we have this blue line, 5 SMA, coming down and now sitting close to 21 cents. And this is exactly where we got rejected today and now sitting at 20 cents at the closing. Also, another thing I want to point out, if you guys remember from my last video, lower Bollinger Band, this one right here, was sitting right here at 13-14 cents, and now it's moving up actually. So I don't see this thing going under 17 cents anytime soon unless we get a gap down or some bad catalyst. Then that could happen here on MULN. But as of right now, looks like we might see a breakout again. And look at this volume here on the stock today, guys. Again, 183 million shares traded here on the stock. Now, of course, we need some good catalyst, and then more volume here on the stock would help. I mean, look at it right here. For this big of a move like this, we need more volume, not only 183 million shares. I mean, this is good, but we need even more volume here on the stock. If we can get like 400, 500 million shares a day, then we could see a massive explosion, and definitely some good catalyst will help here on the stock. So going into tomorrow, looks like we're going to find strong support right around 17 cents now because of this lower Bollinger Band moving up. And also, soon as we break and we can hold 22 cents as a support, not only will be up over blue line 5 SMA 21 cents and the big resistance 22 cents, then we're going to see the stock going back up all the way up to 22 cents and then 27 cents. Now, one more thing I want to point out, guys. A lot of people, when they buy a shorted stock in the market or penny stock or any other, stocks like, MULN, I'm not talking about no big mega caps. They think this thing, or I would say new investors, they think this stock will go up the next day or the next day and they're going to make a ton of money. That's not how the market or the stock right here works, or any other stocks in the market, guys. You have to have patience, and patience pays. Now this thing, I made so many videos right here, and not only this move, even the move before, I made videos right here. I was holding my shares, we got a dump off, I bought even more, still continued with my videos. This thing jumped up all the way up to 60 cents. I took profit, left some runners, and now I'm slowly adding into my position. So if I was selling out right here or panicking saying that this thing is trash, I'm all red on my position, well then it's not a good way to trade and you're going to lose money end of the day. So don't do that. And especially some people were buying at 60 cents saying it's going to hit $10. That's even a bigger no-no, guys. When this stock got up to 60 cents, I said, if it breaks 60 cents, then we can possibly talk about $1 or some more upside. Until we break that level, we're not going to talk about $1 or $5 or $10, nothing. And look at what happened, down to a new 52-week low. And this is a good buy, and that's why I pulled the trigger yesterday, bought some, and I said if this thing dumps down to like 15, 14 cents, I'll probably add even more. And this is so cheap right now, I do not really care. If this thing dumps down to 15 cents, I'll just load up even more. It's really cheap. And this thing gets up to even 30 cents, that would make a massive amount of gain in my account. And that's why this dip is worth buying, and I bought that dip. And now I'm just waiting. I have all the time in this world for the stock to wait and possibly wait for that breakout, and we're going to see the stock going back up to the upside. Now, big institutions like BlackRock and Vanguard, they're not buying their stock to lose money. Also, this is the shortest stock in the market. It's still getting a lot of volume, so I know what I'm doing. At some point, we're going to see a big pump here on MULN, and then, just like right here, a lot of people would be chasing this stock at 60 cents, but when this stock's sitting at 19, 20 cents, I know some of you guys are smart, buying up the dips, but a lot of people thinking that this is trash, not buying anything. If tomorrow this thing spikes back up to 25 cents, 27 cents, there will be a lot of people saying that, oh, I saw this stock at 19 cents. I was going to buy it, but I didn't buy it. Well, it's gone. And that's why this thing is a dip buy, and I bought that dip yesterday, and I'll be buying even more. And I have time. I can hold on to it. It's not an option. I got some shares. It's cheap, and I can hold on to it. If it dips, I'll just hold on to it. I'll sleep on it, but I'm not going to sell out cheaply, at 20 cents, buying at 19 cents. That's why you got to have patience in the market. You got to know what you're doing. You cannot expect after buying something that next day it will double. No, that's not how it works. You got to have patience. You got to wait and let the stock do, its magic. And this thing, definitely we're going to see back up to the upside again, especially when you look at this volume. It's not drying up. We're actually getting more and more volume. And once we see a big spike in the volume like this, some good catalyst, this thing can move really higher, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.